Hey guys, it's Nathan with American West Realty, and I'm in a new rental in Powell. This is 470 West 6th Street, directly across the street from the college. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath. Has a wood-burning fireplace, a great backyard, covered deck or patio, an attached 1-car garage, and a lot more. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I will show you the neighborhood from the front, and then we'll just do a race walk through the house and the backyard. Let's take a look. Okay, so walking into the house, come right into the hallway. Got hardwood floors throughout, real hardwood floors. Beautiful brick fireplace, large mantle. It does have a blower on it. It can be used to heat the home. Nice tile work. It's a really nice size living room, big bright windows. Got French doors leading out to the backyard. Check out the light fixtures, very nice. And into a pretty open kitchen. Lots of storage space. Even got a broom closet over there. An elevated mounted oven. Okay, off to this side we've got kind of a mud room / laundry. Got the water heater in here. The laundry set up right there. And into the garage. From the front of the house, this is a 2-car garage, but it's actually been walled off to create that laundry room, so it's really only suitable for 1 car. It is on an opener. With storage built in, there is a sprinkler system. Got a walk-through door there. And then down the hall we have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Again, some nice built-in storage. You don't see that in newer homes anymore. We've got the shared bathroom out here. It has a skylight, bath and tub. This home's on forced air heat. Tenant will be responsible for their own utility accounts. That's the smallest bedroom. This is probably an average size. Looks like it could fit a queen bed. You see the closet size there, pretty standard size. And then we have the master, which is about the same size. And it has a little bit larger closet and an attached bath. This is a 3/4 bath with a shower, no tub. Then walk back through real quick. We'll go take a look at the backyard. It's got a nice covered patio with some lights and electric. And a pretty good sized yard that is fully fenced. There's a walk-through gate over on this side, as well as a door into the garage. You can see the nice covered patio here. This is south facing, so it'd be great in the warmer months to be able to get out of the heat. Pretty good sized yard. Another walk-through gate on that side of the house. Crawl space access is also back there, as well as a storage shed in the corner for gardening tools. So there you go, guys. That's 470 West 6th Street, right across from Northwest College. If you're interested in this or any of our other rentals, be sure to check us out online at AmericanWestRealty.com, where you can schedule a showing or start the application process. Thanks.